The Shop Pockets tool vest, ergonomically designed, evenly distributes the weight of your tools comfortably on your upper body to avoid lower back pain and hip pain. Shop Pockets vests are extremely durable, lightweight, comfortable, and the mesh allows airflow. Our custom-made 228-pound durable tear strength mesh has been specifically made for our vest. Our vest will work with any manufacturer's tool pouches or any accessories that work with a tool belt. Shop Pockets is the only tool vest with a patented adapter that allows you to attach any 2 1/4 inch loop tool pouch on the market. You can attach up to 3 adapters or 3 pouches by twist locking the adapters on the inside or the outside of the vest for higher pouches. An adapter can go on the outside of the attachments for hammers, drills, water bottles, or whatever. We've redesigned the top shoulder area to avoid pulling and cutting into your shoulder blades. There are 2 zippered chest pockets for a cell phone and all kinds of small items that you'd like to carry. Also, use a magnet to attach screws to the outside of the pocket so you don't have to go digging for screws in your pouches. Shop Pockets pocket vests flow with gravity. There's also a zippered chest expander that allows for a coat, sweatshirt, coveralls, or any kind of cold weather equipment to enlarge in the vest so you can wear it in the winter months. Expanders and adapters are included with all the vest kits. Super easy to clean. You can just throw it in your washer, or when you're washing your car, you can just throw it in your bucket. We are made in the USA in the great town of Milwaukee, Wisconsin.